I will show you how to create this slice effect with a regular text. Thank you so much for being here. It will truly mean the world to me if you hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me motivated to create more content and keep this journey alive. Thank you! First, we create whatever text with font you want. And then go to Object and expand it. The text right now is become a shape. Now go to Knife Tools here. And then just slice it to the text. After that, right-click, ungroup. Now you can scatter it. Thanks for watching. Feel free to drop any question in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more content. Hit the bell icon so you can never miss an update. See you!